This exercise is called Swan. It's a classic Pilates exercise and we're doing a version with a foam roller. It's really good for working on your upper back flexibility, really helping to open out your shoulders and give you a good posture. It's really good for strengthening your back muscles and your shoulder muscles as well. So let's go. So you want to make sure that you're lying and you want to keep your legs nice and relaxed and your pelvis really heavy onto the mat. So you're thinking about pushing your pubic bone slightly down into the mat. You're going to have your arms resting on the roller just above the elbow because you need some room to move. You're going to start by floating your head up and drawing your shoulder blades down. So you're using your lat muscles here and the side of your armpit to draw the shoulders down. So we're going to start with that movement. The body starts to follow. We're going to hover the head, and as we reach that top position, we're then going to bring the elbows down into the body. And we're just going to do 5 repetitions here, keeping that heaviness in the front of the tailbone, and your head is just an extension of your spine lengthening away. And then we come down again. So again, just drawing those shoulder blades down. Think of sucking the shoulders into their sockets and then hover the breastbone, hover the head, come up into that back bend. Just going to give my arms a little wriggle to get them a better position on the roller and then drawing them in. And that sort of elbow backwards motion is mimicking a little bit the drive that you need for your arms in running. So it's a really great exercise for runners. Good, and down again. So repeat that 5 to 10 times depending on your endurance. And that's your swan with the foam roller.